What's up, ElectroDrive Nation? Get ready for a rapid-fire download of all things electric. We're kicking things off with a look at the upcoming Electric Vehicle Innovation and Excellence Awards in London, where the future of our roads and air quality will be celebrated. Next up, we're diving deep into battery science. Researchers at the University of Wisconsin-Madison have cracked the code on a groundbreaking method to pull extremely valuable material from old EV batteries, and they say the technology works. Then, hold on to your hats as we explore the comeback story of Taiga. After facing near bankruptcy, this EV powersport company is back with a brand new 3-seater PWC, the Orca WX3, ready to make waves. And finally, with tax credit deadlines looming, we're seeing a massive surge in EV leasing. Dealers and lenders are scrambling to move inventory before the September 30th deadline. Stick around for all the details and make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. The future of electric mobility is here, and it's being celebrated. The Electric Vehicle Innovation and Excellence Awards are set to illuminate London on October 2nd, 2025, highlighting the very best in EV technology and sustainable transport. This prestigious event underscores the critical role of innovation and collaboration in forging a cleaner, safer, and smarter future for our roadways. With a focus on driving down emissions and enhancing urban air quality, the awards promise to showcase groundbreaking advancements and inspire continued progress across the entire electric vehicle ecosystem. It's a crucial moment to recognize the pioneers shaping the next generation of transportation and paving the way for a truly electrified world. Don't go anywhere, because what's next could revolutionize how we power our electric future. Get ready for a scientific breakthrough that's making old batteries incredibly valuable. Imagine turning yesterday's EV batteries into a goldmine for tomorrow's technology. Chemists at the University of Wisconsin-Madison have achieved just that, developing a cost-effective and groundbreaking method to recycle lithium from old electric vehicle batteries. This isn't just good news for the planet, it's a potential game-changer for reducing battery manufacturing costs. While many automakers are keen on recycling, the process has always been too expensive, until now. The UW-Madison team's sustainable electrochemical method, now patented, promises to recover lithium cheaply and efficiently. Published in ACS Energy Letters, their system uses a simple, two-cell process to extract lithium ions and recover them as high-purity chemicals. Professor Kyoung-Shin Choi, leading the research, emphasizes the urgency as demand for lithium skyrockets and European Union regulations push for higher recycling rates by 2025 and mandated recycled content by 2031. Audience impact. This innovation is already attracting significant interest from battery and automakers, with discussions underway for commercial viability. The race is on to scale up this technology, which could drastically alter the economics of EV battery production and recycling, making the EU's ambitious sustainability goals achievable. Stay tuned, because the electric revolution is expanding into thrilling new territories. Next, we're diving into the water with a company that's making a powerful comeback. It's a tough market out there for electric powersports startups, but some are defying the odds. Taiga, the Canadian company that aims to electrify snowmobiles and personal watercraft, has made a remarkable comeback after facing bankruptcy. Saved by new investors, Taiga is back in production and launching an exciting new model, the Orca WX3. This 3-seater PWC is designed to appeal to European tour operators looking to ditch noisy, polluting jet skis for a cleaner, quieter experience. Powered by the same 160-horsepower electric system as its 2-seater sibling, the Orca WX3 offers around 2 hours of ride time, with fast charging capabilities to get you back on the water in about 30 minutes. The revival of Taiga is closely linked to Vita electric boats and Aqua Superpower EV chargers, creating a one-stop shop for electric marine solutions. While the $23,999 price tag for the Orca WX3 is substantial, Taiga's focus on the European tour market could prove to be a winning strategy. Audience impact. This comeback story signals resilience in the EV powersports sector, with a clear focus on a niche market and integrated charging solutions. The demand from European operators for cleaner alternatives could drive Taiga's success, proving that innovation and strategic partnerships can overcome financial hurdles. But before we go, there's a major financial shift happening in the EV market right now. Get ready to learn how you might save thousands on your next electric vehicle purchase. The race is on to snag that $7,500 EV tax credit before it disappears. With the September 30th deadline approaching, dealers and lenders are aggressively pushing electric vehicle leases to clear out inventory. This surge in leasing activity is a strategic move to move models and make room for new arrivals, a common practice at this time of year. While this might mean thinner profit margins on current stock, it's a critical maneuver ahead of the incentive's expiration. The IRS clarified that as long as a binding contract is signed and a payment is made by the deadline, buyers still qualify, even if delivery happens later. This has prompted manufacturers like Tesla to issue call-to-action emails, urging interested consumers to act fast. Experian data shows a significant jump in EV leases, now accounting for over 57% of EV financing, up from 47% last year, as buyers look to capitalize on the expiring tax benefit. Audience impact. Consumers are responding by flocking to leases to lock in savings, making this a pivotal moment for EV adoption and inventory management. The impact of this deadline-driven surge will likely reshape the EV market landscape in the coming months. That's all the groundbreaking news for today. But stick around for a lightning round recap and your chance to win. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying news. We saw the upcoming Electric Vehicle Innovation and Excellence Awards celebrating progress, groundbreaking lithium recycling tech from UW-Madison, Taiga's powerful comeback with the Orca WX3 PWC, and a massive surge in EV leasing driven by tax credit deadlines. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your electric vehicle updates, and ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Let us know in the comments which story you found most exciting, and follow us on all social platforms for more electrifying content.